Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 38 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to show hidden characters inside of Adobe InDesign. So over here I don't really have a hidden character, so I'm gonna delete this, press enter, just like this, and I'm gonna remove the drop cap so that the design doesn't look that odd. So you can actually remove the drop cap. Just go to paragraph mode right here, remove the drop cap right here, remove this drop cap as well. So you can see that I got normal paragraph now. And over here onto this section, just remove that out, press enter. And over here I'm gonna press enter, gonna press tab right here, gonna press tab right here, gonna press enter right here, gonna add in a double space right here. So you can see that I got a lot of invisible characters now, which I don't know actually exist there. So InDesign gives a very easy way to actually see the invisible characters right here. So for that I'm gonna go into type over here, and you can see that you have something called show hidden characters. So once you press that, you can see that I can see the spaces, and you know that this is the end of the paragraph and this is the end of the typing tool right here. Once you press enter, you can see that I actually create paragraphs. So you can press backspace just like this, and over here this is the paragraph. You can see that this is an invisible character, so I can remove this out. So you can see that now this is the end of the paragraph. Over here this is the tab section, which is denoted by double arrow right here. This is the tab, and the dots right here, the blue dots right here, are all the spaces. You can see that I actually use 4 spaces here, so I can simply remove this out. So you can see that I can actually see invisible characters inside of InDesign and fix my errors if I've actually used some extra characters that I don't want to. So if I were to remove this and I were to add in a paragraph rule, paragraph indentation right here, so let's say at the top, you can see that that actually gets removed out. And if I were to press backspace and then add in, let's say over here, add to the top, you can say you can increase this out here, and you can increase this out here as well. So you can increase this part out here, and you can see that this actually does not show an invisible character, and that is how you can be sure that invisible characters don't exist in Adobe InDesign, which can be hassle-some to edit if you want to edit it further. So that is how you can actually show hidden characters and utilize hidden characters. After you're done, you can simply go back to type here and go back to hide hidden character, and that hides the hidden character just like that. So that is how you can show and hide hidden characters inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.